James Nicholson. I hope you're well, and today I want to talk to you about 5 steps that you can use to double the sales in your business, to get more leads and more sales, and also to allow you the freedom to take off as much time as you might want in your business. Now, I'm here in sunny Thailand, absolutely beautiful place down here at the beach right now, and for me, it's really important to take some time out from my business every now and again to work on the business, the systems and the processes to take the business to the next level. And here in Thailand, it allows me to refocus, re-energize and re-sort out everything that I want to do in the next few months. Now, getting sales and leads into your business is something that a lot of people find hard. It's one of the key things that we're asked at the Internet Marketing Bootcamp. Jess and myself, we run these boot camps in London most weeks, and literally most people are there to get more leads and more sales, and that's the biggest problem for most business owners. Now, that's what I'm going to teach you over the next few days. So this is the first video. I want to make sure that you've liked the page and that you subscribe, and make sure that you look out for the future 4 videos as well. So let's get started and let's talk about the first thing that you need to do to get more leads and more sales, and that is to not try to get married on a first date. You see, that's funny because I'm in Thailand, and everywhere you go, if you've ever been to Asia, you go to a market, go past a taxi driver, anywhere, they're just pushing the sale on you, aren't they? They're asking you to buy their product or service straight away. And even if you're interested, which quite often you are, if it's me, I'd love to buy stuff in the market, but they push you away. And it gets really, really, really frustrating. And that's because they're trying to get married on the first date. There's no rapport built there. They're not letting me make a decision myself. And that's what most business owners are doing, even in the UK or America or Australia, wherever you're based. That's what most of you are doing right now. And you've got to change that. You've got to get people to allow themselves to start the process of know, liking and trusting you. And how you do that in the first instance is to create some content, just like this. For example, this is a video. You may have never heard of me before, and it allows you to get some education on how to get more leads and more sales. You can make a decision. Maybe you like me, maybe you hate me, and you won't watch my videos again, but enough of you will like this content and get some value from that. And that's what you need to be doing as well. Whatever business you're in, you need to create content. So whether you're a local plumber, you might create some bathroom designs and give them some ideas and stuff like that. If you advertise that to your local market, can you imagine? There's no plumbers doing that sort of content. You could give people tips and tricks. That's important as well. So there's lots of different types of content, and that could be written content, it could be video content just like this, and it doesn't have to be professionally made. I mean, surely you're probably hearing the wind on this video here, just sitting on the beach, but the content is there for a number of reasons. It's to position you as the expert, as the authority in your market. That is essential. If you're a local business, you will crush it very, very quickly if you use content. The second thing is that you're getting people the process to know, like and trust you, so they can start to make a decision whether you're useful. And if you give tips and value away to people, most people will like it. The third reason is that when you advertise content, it costs literally next to nothing. So we advertise content on Facebook, and it doesn't even cost us 1 pence a view, not even 1 pence. It's like 0.001 of a pence. It's very, very cheap. Whereas if we go in when we try to sell to people straight away, it's very, very expensive. Very expensive. In fact, our business wouldn't work if we were to do that. So think about that. That's content. And I'm going to talk to you about the other 5 things that you need to do. The other 4 things even, completing the 5 over the next few days. So make sure you like this video, comment on this video, tell me what you think, what content are you making. Maybe you've tried content and it didn't work. I'll personally reply to all of your comments, and look out for that next video coming up tomorrow. Cheers guys, bye for now.